All right, so here it is. It's probably 8 feet long, maybe 12, 14 inches diameter. It's right here by our fish cleaning station. I've been stepping over this thing, like I said, for about 3 years, mowing around it. Uh, it's time to get it out of the way. So you can see that it's pretty tore up. And the worst part is, get down here on the end, it's got a huge check in this end, actually in both ends. You can see it's even sunk in the ground there. So yeah, that's never good. We walk down to the other end, take a look at it. Yep, there's that giant check again. So I don't know, there may be nothing worth salvaging left in this log, but hey, we're gonna find out. That's why we have a sawmill. Okay, so we got it on the tractor, got it on the forks. I think the first order of business here is to, yeah, we're gonna wash this off. I don't wanna run my blade through all that dirt, leaves, mud that's on here. So we'll take it up and wash it up, then we'll set it on the mill. Okay, so we've got it on the mill. Give it a good bath. I'm not really sure it helped the appearance any whatsoever. To give you the specs on it, the small end turned out to be 11.5 inches in diameter. The large end is at 13. And you can see that I have orientated that check, or in this case, that giant crack, in a completely vertical position. My hope is that I can isolate this crack in one board. So when I camp this up, when I square this up, this crack, I want to be horizontal. So when I come down through here cutting boards, I'm going to try to catch this crack in one board rather than if I were to do it with it vertically, there would be a crack in every single board when I come down. That's my plan. We'll see how it works out. Okay, so we've got our cant, our squared up log. It is by no means the prettiest one I've ever seen, but there is some beauty in it down here on this end. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making some boards out of it. Even if we have to cut them down later, we will get something of use out of it, I think. We'll see how it goes. All right, here's what we ended up with. Becky's gonna water it down. Hopefully the grain will show through. Yeah, not too bad. See some spots like right up here where it's spalted a little bit, little rot starting to come in. That's actually desirable in some species of woods, but I'm not so sure it is on a walnut. Yeah, that'll work. Project we have in mind. And we were able to keep, that's so dark, I don't know if we can see it. We were able to keep that check that we talked about isolated to one board. Right there it is. That's what we wanted to do. And it worked out, so I'm happy about that. All right, that's about it. See you next time.